Tired of the same old control center? Want to make your iPhone truly yours? In this video, we will show you how to unlock the hidden gem of iOS 18, Control Center Customization. Learn easy tips and tricks to add, remove, and rearrange controls to match your unique style. Stay tuned for a step-by-step guide on how to customize your control center like a pro. When you swipe down from the top of the screen from the first time after the update, you will encounter the new control center, which is very eye-catching. In the control center, you can see different sections that you can customize them, or whenever you want or whatever you want, add your toggle and your action to the control center, which is so great. To start customizing your control center, just tap and hold on your finger here. And as you can see, you have an option to move, resize, and edit your toggles and actions. So as you can see, just tap on your toggle and here and move them whenever you want. So easy guys, and eye-catching. Now you have an option to actually resize your toggle or your actions. Let me show you how to do it. As you can see, there is a arrow here, and you can just tap on here and swipe down to resize your toggle, which is so easy and convenient. And guys, you have an option to remove your actually toggle or add another toggle to your actually customized control center. Let me show you how to do it. Remove Shazam toggle, just tap on here, and easily we can remove the toggle or actions on the control center, which is so great and amazing. Now I will tell you how to add toggle or action here. Again, tap on hold on here, and now touch the add a control. Just touch here and you will see a new page, which you can see the bunch of actions and toggle, accessibility, capture, clock, and connectivity. Whatever you want guys, or whatever you need, you can find it here and add to your control center. For example, connectivity, I added here, and I have an option to resize it and actually personalize it. Just as you can see here. Let me remove it. Another example, tap and hold on here, touch add a control, and you have a bunch of options here. All of the actions guys that you have on your iPhone, you can find it here. And even you can add a shortcut or open an application for quick access here, which is so great and useful. As you can see, vision accessibility, voice memos. For example, this time I will add a voice memos to quick access it on my actually control center. As you can see, let me resize it to show you. So great and easy guys to customize your control center. Now I will tell you another option in control center, which are actually different sections. As you can see, you can categorize your section on your actually control center and priority for them. As you can see, I have a, for example, connectivity sections here, music section here, and you have an option guys to add your actually customized section here. I will tell you how to do that. Let me show you. Again, tap and hold on here, and you have an option guys. As you can see, this is your actually own section here. Let me show you how to do it. Just add a control and you can add a bunch of actions or applications, for example, or another accessibility to your actually customized section from the control center. Now this page is mine and I will customize it for myself. As you can see, resize them for myself, and I have my own actually designed control center here. Another toggle which is so useful, personal hotspot. As you can see, I added here, And let me actually choose another one, which is actually live listening. So as you can see guys, it was so easy to customize the control center in iOS 18. So there you have it. With a few simple steps, you have transformed your control center into a personalized hub that puts the features you need right at your fingertips. So go ahead and unleash your creativity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome iOS 18 tips and tricks. And if you have any question about customizing your control center, leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.